Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Sri Ganesh online lecture series. Myself, Khadaklai Pankaj. I am going to teach you EVS second. See, yesterday we have started chapter number 2, Word of the Saints. In this, we have learned about some names of those saints and what basic work those people did, that we have learned. What we have learned? Which saints were there? Can you tell me? Yes, correct. Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, Sant Chokhamela. Like this. And women, come on, which women were there? Come on, which are those? Sant Kanopatra, again Sant Bahinabai. Very good. So like this, women were there. So what work did they did? See, they taught some virtues to people. What do you mean by virtue? Moral skill. We have learned these are three hard work. Virtue means moral skills. See, which were those virtues? Compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and last one is brotherhood. It was given for homework also, and I hope so you have done your homework. But many of the students still they are not completing homework. So complete your homework on time and please send it to WhatsApp group so teacher can check your homework. If you not complete your homework, you will not get admission in school. Understood? Many students are not completing homework. They are thinking that we have holiday and what sir will do. If you not complete your homework, when you come to school on the first day, your homework will be checked. And if your homework is not completed, what will be there? You will not get admission for the next class. You will remain either in 3rd standard or you are going another school. Understood? So if you want to continue with Sri Ganesh, you have to complete your homework regularly. Okay? So see, which hard words we have seen yesterday? Strata. Strata means level. Where was this word strata of society? These levels of society. Then various. Various means many. Virtues means moral skills. Charity, kindness. Inferior, junior. And superior means senior. These are the qualities. Inferior, superior. Okay? So see, this one we have completed yesterday. Now, today we are going to learn about Sri Chakradhar Swami. Okay? Which is the first son? Sri Chakradhar Swami. I think so you have seen his picture also. Okay? I will show you his picture also. So open your textbook, page number 3, lesson number 2, Work of Saints. Okay, you should have your book with you. Don't handle only mobile. You should keep book also along with you. Okay. So which point we are going to learn today? Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami. See, before starting our chapter, I would like to tell you one difference in these two words. Pronunciation is same. What? Shri. See, this one is the basic one, but you should know this. S-H-R-I, Shri. And another one is S-H-R-E-E, Shri. So what is the difference between these two words? Both pronunciation is Shri. What is difference? Can we use this Shri word here? Shri Chakradhar Swami, this one be one? No, we can't use this word. And for our God Ganesha, what we are using? Shri Ganesha or our Shri Ganesh. Our school's name, what is this? Shri Ganesh. Ganesh is a god. Okay? So for the purpose of God, we have to use here S-H-R-E-E, Shri. Yes, if you are seeing Shri Swami Samartha name, if you have to write that name in English, what we have to write? S-H-R-E-E, Shri. Okay? So the Shri is used for God. Understood? And the Shri, this one is used for people, for man purpose. We are using Shri. Okay? Now you are children. So what we are using? Master. Master Saish. Master Soham. Like this. Okay? But for man purpose, we have to use S-H-R-I, Shri. And for God purpose, we have to use S-H-R-E-E, Shri. Understood? So our Shri Ganesh name is there. Shri Ganesh International School. And Shri Ganesh English Medium Gurukul. So this Ganesh name is not of a person. This Ganesh name is of a God, of the God. So we have to use here S-H-R-E-E, Shri. Understood? While writing school name also, you are making mistake. Some are writing S-H-R-I. So we should not make this mistake. Understood? This one is the basic thing. Anyone can ask you, so you should know these things. Okay? So here, Chakradhar Swami, was he God? No. He was a man. Okay? So we are using here S-H-R-I, Shri. Okay? Now, see, now we are going to start Shri Chakradhar Swami. Okay? First of all, we are going to do loud reading. So what we have to do? We have to put our index finger on line. Understood? What is its benefit? If you put your index finger on line, you will come to know hard words and their pronunciation. So while reading, you can read it properly. Okay? So put your finger, page number 3. Shri Chakradhar Swami. See, Shri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He became an ascetic and came over to Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. So, several men and women became his followers. The sect he established is known as Mahanubhav sect. Memorable incidents from his life have been compiled in a book titled Leela Charitra. Okay, this much information is given about Shri Chakradhar Swami. Okay, so from this you will get basic idea of Shri Chakradhar Swami. Okay, so see what is told. Shri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He was a prince. Shri Chakradhar Swami was a prince. He was a prince. See, so this diagram indicates us as a prince. Okay, so this Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince. What is meant by prince? Son of a king is called prince. Okay, who is going to become king in future after his father? On place of his father, he will be king. So, son of king is called prince, and he was from Gujarat. He was from Gujarat. This Chakradhar Swami was from Gujarat, and he was originally a prince. See. Yes, sorry, here one letter is remained. Gujarat. See, he became an ascetic. Ascetic means, see, A-S-C-E-T-I-C, ascetic. Ascetic means, who knows? Ascetic means hermit. Hermit. See, E-R-M-I-T-E. Hermit. What is pronunciation? Hermit. R is silent. Hermit. Ascetic, hermit. Means in Marathi I will tell you because you will not understand these both words are very difficult. So I am going to tell you its Marathi word. Ascetic means or hermit means sannyasi. Okay. Now what is the concept of sannyasi? Means a person who leaves his all facilities, all his luxurious facilities or important facilities he leave, even his house also. Okay, so that person is called ascetic. Okay, so see, he became an ascetic and came over to Maharashtra, and from Gujarat he came over to Maharashtra. From Gujarat he came over to Maharashtra. See, he was from Gujarat and he came over to Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, what he did? See, he moved all over Maharashtra. All over Maharashtra he moved. And what he did in Maharashtra? Preaching equality. What he did? He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. What is meant by preaching now? See, preaching. Preaching means to give a talk. Preaching means to give a talk. About what he was preaching? About equality, that all people are equal. He was giving a talk on equality. We have learned basic things, equality. Our Swaraj was also based on equality. So from this only Shivaji Maharaj took this answer. Okay? Equality. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. Now what is meant by discrimination? We first will see meaning. Discrimination means difference. See, he did not believe. Believe means trust. Okay, it's simple, so that we will not take. Believe means trust. He did not trust in any. Discrimination means difference or distinguish. Difference based on gender or caste. He was not making any difference as a gender or caste. As these men are great, women are not great, men are important, women are not important. He was giving equal treatment to all, men as well as women. Okay. Again, what he told about caste, like Shivaji Maharaj. What Shivaji Maharaj told? He never distinguished between Hindus and Muslims. So like this, about caste and religions, never he distinguished. Okay. So discrimination means difference. Never he made any type of difference in those people. He treat all the people equally. Who? Sri Chakradhar Swami, who was from Gujarat, who was a prince, but he left all those facilities and he came over Maharashtra. He took a round to go all over Maharashtra and he was preaching about equality. He never made any difference about caste and gender. Okay. Now there is no difference or there is no discrimination about gender also in our house also. But before 15-20 years, when your father was small, at that time more importance was given to children, boys or men, and less importance was given to girls or women. It's for a simple thing. If his father, your father's father means your grandfather, if your grandfather has brought 12 bananas, how much? 12 bananas, and he has 2 children, one boy, one girl. So he was not giving him six bananas to boy and 6 bananas to girl. Not like this. What was that time? First, boy will eat how much he want to eat, and if 4-5 bananas will remain, then only that girl will get it. Otherwise, that girl was not any right to touch those bananas also. His first preference was given to boys. If boy is satisfied, then remaining one girl can take. About any decision also. Now in our family, if your father wants to take any decision, he asks to his mother, correct? His wife means your mother. All family members' opinion we are taking. And then he took a decision. Correct? But at that time, only men were taking decision. Ladies were not knowing anything about that decision and they were not having any right to give their opinion like this. But at that time, before this much years, this Sri Chakradhar Swami, he never made any discrimination or any difference in gender. Okay? So same thing, same virtues we are seeing now also in our school also. Okay? In our school, girls can also take admission, boys can also take admission. All are getting equal opportunities. All are getting equal opportunities to take part in different exams, different competitions. Correct? Is there any limit that only boys can do, girls can't do? No, there is no any difference. Now on a bench, one boy, one girl, they can also sit. Yes? So means we are treating them equally. Okay? So like this, Sri Chakradhar Swami was there. So because of this, several men and women become his followers. Now all those followers were simple it is. On TikTok you are making followers, on YouTube you are making followers. Yes? 1 million followers are there, 2 million followers are there. So like this. But this was on social media. But in our book, at the time of Sri Chakradhar Swami, it was not on social media. At that time, social media was not there. So these followers means these people used to follow his footsteps. See. So several men and women become his followers. The sect he established is known as Mahanubhav sect. What is meant by sect now? S-E-C-T, sect. S-E-C-T, sect. Mahanubhav sect. Who can guess from this Mahanubhav sect? Sect of religions. Sect of religions. Sect of religions. Okay? So, and those people are called Mahanubhav sect. Memorable incidents from his life have been compiled in a book. And what name was given to it? Titled Leela Charitra or Leela Charitra. So in Marathi, what is what? Leela Charitra. Now compiled means C-O-M-P-I-L-E, compiled. Compiled means assembling information from others collected from other sources. Compile means assembling information collected from other sources. Okay? So see. And in which book this information was written? Leela Charitra. This book is famous now also. Now also you can get this book in market. Leela Charitra. See, in corner you can see the picture of Sri Chakradhar Swami. But in book also now I am going to show you. See, this person is called Sri Chakradhar Swami. See, your downside name is also given Sri Chakradhar Swami. He loved to animals. Always he was taking care of animals. Okay? So see. Next one. Do you understand this much or once we will revise it? See. Sri Chakradhar Swami, he was a prince of Gujarat. But he leave all those things and he came to Maharashtra. While coming Maharashtra, he moved whole Maharashtra and he was preaching equality to people. Preaching means to give a talk about equality. Then discrimination means difference. He never made difference in people as a gender or caste. Gender means boy, girl, means male, female, like this. These are the genders. And then caste or caste. Maratha, Chambhar, Kumbhar. These are the castes. And religion. Religion means Hindu, Muslim, like this. But never he made any discrimination about these people by their gender and caste. And because of this, many men and women were his followers. And so they made a sect, Mahanubhav sect. And that Mahanubhav sect means sect of religions. life. All those incidents compile. Compile means assembling information collected from other sources. All information about his life and events are collected and were put in a book, and that book is titled as Leela Charitra. Okay, understood about Sri Chakravarti Swami? Did you like his work? Yes. So what you will learn from his work? What you have to keep in mind? Equality. Never make any discrimination in people. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to learn about Sant Namdev. About whom we are going to learn? Sant Namdev. I'll rub this one now. Or see, about Sant Namdev tomorrow we will learn. Okay, so what you just do, you just read the chapter, read that paragraph about Sant Namdev from your textbook. Tomorrow we will learn this, because this point is bigger one, we cannot complete within time. So tomorrow we are going to learn this Sant Namdev. Understand? Okay, so what's your homework? What's your today's homework? You have to write these hard words in your notebook 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Which are those? Astig. What is this? Amit. Preaching. To give a talk. Here we write word in Marathi, so you will understand. I think so many of you will get confused. Sannyasi. Sannyasi. Okay? So, thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet on same time with same teacher. Okay? Thank you.